In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a stroke glow effect in Gimp in a simple, beginner-friendly way. This is a great technique if you want your text, logo, or object to stand out with a clean, glowing outline that looks professional and eye-catching. Whether you're making thumbnails, social media graphics, YouTube banners, or any kind of digital design, this effect can instantly improve the look of your project. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Gimp tips, editing tricks, and easy design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Gimp and make sure you've selected the correct target layer. In the Layers panel, click on the text layer or object layer that you want to add the glow effect to. This is an important step because the effect will only apply to the selected layer, so take a moment to make sure you've chosen the right one. Once your layer is selected, go to the top menu and open Filters. From there, move down to Light and Shadow, and then choose Drop Shadow. Even though it says Drop Shadow, this is actually one of the easiest ways to create a glowing stroke effect in Gimp. When the Drop Shadow window opens, the first thing you want to do is set both the X offset and Y offset values to 0. By doing this, you're telling Gimp not to move the shadow in any direction. That way, the effect will surround your object evenly instead of appearing off to one side. This is what gives you that true glow or outline look. Next, click the color box and choose the glow color you want. You can go with white for a clean, bright outline, blue for a neon effect, red for something bold, or any custom color that matches your design. The color you choose will define the entire look of the glow, so don't be afraid to experiment a little. After that, it's time to adjust the size and softness of the effect. Increase the grow radius to create the solid stroke thickness around your text or object. This controls how wide the outline appears. Then increase the blur radius to soften that stroke and turn it into a more radiant glow. The more blur you add, the smoother and more glowing the effect will look. You can also adjust the opacity depending on how strong you want the glow to appear. Set it to 1.0 if you want a strong, fully visible effect, or lower it slightly if you want something more subtle. This part really depends on the style you're going for, so feel free to tweak it until it looks just right. Once everything looks good, click OK to apply the effect. Gimp will process the settings and your layer will now have a stroke glow effect around it. If the glow looks too intense or too soft, you can always go back and repeat the steps with different values until you get the perfect result. And that's it, you've successfully created a stroke glow effect in Gimp. It's a simple technique, but it can make a huge difference in the overall look of your design. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.